Do you want to know how you can change your video background from color to black and white? I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using just your phone and for free. We will look at 3 different ways and you can choose whichever one is the best for you. But first, let's get a sample video. Alright, it's time for editing and you can edit it anywhere on the go. Right now I'm editing at a dog park. You just saw my dog walk by. First, we are going to start with Capcut since it's one of the most popular apps on phone. If by any chance Capcut is not available in your country, you can move ahead. I have leaved some timestamps for the next app so that you can skip this part and move directly to that one. So the first thing we need to do is open Capcut. If you see an ad, then just skip that ad. Once you're on the main screen, tap on the edit from the bottom menu and then select this plus button which says new video. Then you select the clip that you want to edit and tap on add. Once your video opens in your timeline, then tap on this button called overlay and add overlay and select the same clip again. Then select the overlay layer like this and resize it like this. Then swipe on the bottom menu to find remove BG option. Tap on that and then select auto removal. It takes a few seconds to remove the background, but you will still be able to see the background because you have another layer of the same video behind this layer. So now you select the main layer and then go to adjust from the menu and select saturation, which is for increasing or decreasing color intensity. So now bring the slider all the way to the left. And you see the background is now black and white. Before you export this video, check at the end of the timeline, and if there is a watermark, you can delete that too. It's done. That's it. It's so simple. Again, if Capcut doesn't work for you, then definitely the next app will. The next app on our list is Kinemaster. So let's quickly open the app, skip the ad if you have to, tap on create new, select your aspect ratio. You can select TikTok for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or any 9:16 video. I'll select 16:9 because my video is 16:9, but you can always select the other aspect ratio if you want to. Add your video to the timeline. Once done, then tap on this small button which is for timeline. Then find this option called add as layer. Now resize your clip to fit the frame, or you can use this button called transform. Scroll down and hit fill. Then go back. Make sure you still have the duplicate layer, which is the bottom layer, selected. Now find this option called magic remover on the bottom menu and tap it. It will take a few seconds to remove the background. Once it is done, then select the main layer and go to this option called adjustment. Bring the saturation all the way down. It's done. Now you can export it. However, it comes with this watermark. If you know how to remove a watermark, then fine, it's good to go. You can just get rid of it. Otherwise, you can always select a different app. I will show you the next one which doesn't have any watermark and it's free. Okay, let's check out the last app, which is my favorite, and I've been using it for past 4 or 5 years for editing reels on Instagram. But yeah, this is really good. This one's called YouCut. You have to open YouCut app and then create new project. Add your video to the timeline, and then we first select filter, then adjust. Then we bring the saturation all the way down to -50 and hit OK. Now select PIP, which is also picture in picture, and select the same video and select fill. Now select the option cutout. Once it says cutout completed, hit play and see the magic. Now you can save the video, and if an ad plays, just skip it and you're done. One more thing, this app YouCut is only available on Android as far as I know. So if you're using iPhone, then the other 2 options would be best for you. I tested all of these 3 apps in harsher conditions too, just to test out if you can cut out smoothly in those conditions. For example, in this video, you can see me and my dog Bucky with some camera movement. Now here is a comparison of all three clips side by side to give you a better perspective. Capcut has some trouble detecting the dog, but YouCut handles the cutout like a piece of cake. Also, it doesn't come with any watermark, but if you're an iPhone user again, you can try Capcut or Kinemaster. I would suggest go for Capcut since it doesn't have that watermark. But if you're in a country where Capcut isn't available and you cannot run with any kind of VPN, then definitely Kinemaster is a good option to try. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, then please consider hitting that like button. Every like counts when it comes from amazing people like you. Also, if you want to see more such videos, leave a comment down below and I'll definitely create more videos like these for you. For example, if you also want to know how to remove your background or replace your background with something different, then also let me know in the comments and I'll make a video on that. And if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any update from me. I will keep creating new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care and share the love.